everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can get a Binance or virtual card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. So to get your Binance card, virtual card is actually just a really simple process. You don't have to do much, but there is some verification needed. So for that, first of all, go and get access to your Binance app and get signed in. Can be from your browser and app. And then when you go to your account settings, you will be able to access this option of security. So in the security section, if you go down to the bottom as we have highlighted, you can see phone and number verification. So to get the virtual Visa card, you will need to verify yourself. For that, tap on this phone and number verification and simply first of all verify yourself if you haven't yet. Afterwards, you will be able to access this finance option within your Binance option, which will introduce you to the another option called Binance Visa card. And you can see convert and pay with crypto worldwide. Simply go ahead, tap on it, and now you can see you will get this another tab pop up on for you. Here in this section, you can see we have to complete the 4 steps for us to confirm our Binance virtual card. All you have to do is simply follow along, adding the information as it asks for. Once you're done and confirmed it, you will be able to get this kind of interface where it shows the card on top and the active on top with a green dot. And here in this bottom section, you can see the options features with it, the hide details and the copy number, which you will need to copy the numbers for you to do any of the transactions in the future for any of the purchases. Then if you hover up to the payment priority, where you will be able to see there is a default method for it, which will let you pay for by the Bitcoin over here, and the other payment method as well. So you can choose any of them to set as a payment method for you in the future whenever you purchase something, and you will be good to go. So this is the simple way for you to set up your Binance virtual card and activate it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.